Hello, great learners, and welcome to this calculation in chemistry. This question said we should calculate the current in amperes that would deposit 10 grams of calcium from fused calcium chloride in 2 hours 15 minutes. The atomic mass of calcium is 40.0. 1 Faraday represents 96,500 coulombs, and it's a wire question in 2003. So, start with solution. Okay, so this question, we have to calculate the current. So current is what we are looking for, right? So I is equals to question mark. Then I said the time given for the whole of this experiment is 2 hours 15 minutes. So time is 2 hours 15 minutes. So we know that 2 hours 15 minutes is equivalent to 2 hours 1/4 hours, right? That is 2/4 hours, right? Now if this is it, then we have to first convert this time to seconds. So this is going to be, this times this is going to give you 8 with this 9/4 times 60 times 60. Is that okay? All right, so we're going to be having uh 4 here is 1, 4 here is, okay, let me just take 2 first. 2 here is 2, 2 here is 30, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 30. I just want to break them into 2. So we're going to be having this value. So we're going to be having 9 times 3 times 3 is 900, right? So this 9 times 9 will give you 8100 what seconds. So this is our time. All right, now the next question is, they say we should calculate current, and you know the only way we can calculate current based on this question and based on the data given to us is that charge is equals to current times what? Time. It now tends to that time will be equals to what? Charge divided by what? Time. So charge is not given, so we have to look for charge based on this calcium information. All right, so let's bring the ionic equation of calcium first. So calcium is plus 2, right? And then it's going to be having 2 electrons, gaining 2 electrons to form what? Calcium. So what this equation means is that 2 Faradays produce what? 40 grams of what? Calcium. And since equality sign can be swapped, it means 40 grams of calcium will produce what? 2 Faradays. Is that okay? All right, so if this is the case, then let's relate that to the question. The question say 10 grams of calcium. Which one are we going to use now? So we're going to have 10 grams is equals to what? X, right? So we're going to be cross multiplying. All right, so with that we have 40x is equals to what? 2 Faradays times 10 grams. So this also what? Grams. Okay, so since we are looking for x, we divide both sides by 40 grams. 2f times 10 grams divided by what? 40 grams. So these grams, 40 grams will cancel 40 grams. Our s is equals to, this will cancel this cancels this, right? Okay, so this value now, we'll be having 2 here 1 and 2 here is what? 2. So we have f over 2. Now what is 1f? 1f is based on the standard value is 96,500. So we have 96,500 coulombs divided by what? 2. So our x will be equals to what? 2 into 9 is 4, remainder 1. 2 into 16 is 8. 2 into 5 is 2, remainder 1, put it here. 2 into 10 is 5 and 0 column, right? So this is the charge that we're going to have of columns. Now if we have gotten the charge, what is left for us to do now is to substitute it into this equation so that we can calculate our what? current. So our current now will be equals to charge over time, which is 48250 divided by the time. The time we got 8100 seconds. So we have 8100. So let's divide. 0 can cancel 0 here. So we are having 4825 divided by 810. Okay, so current will be equals to, let's divide the value and see our answer. So 4825 divided by 810 will give you 5.96 ampere. So what this answer means is that when 10 grams of calcium from fused calcium chloride is deposited in 2 hours 15 minutes, then the current that will be gotten is what? Is 5.96 ampere. All right, this brings us to the end of this calculation. If you have any concern, you can drop them in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.